let it go, let it go. Hello everyone, today's a super exciting day because we're gonna declutter. I've been watching the Marie Kondo show on Netflix non-stop. I'm obsessed. So I decided that today I want to become Gabby Kondo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to click the little red button. You won't regret it. I'm gonna give you guys a little closet tour before we get started. Let's do it. So this is my closet right now. It's a huge mess and it needs a huge upgrade. This is my side right there, and then all that stuff is mine. Yeah, I want to get rid of like half of my clothing. We need to reorganize all of this. Hallelujah. So the first thing we're going to do is introduce ourselves to the closet. Hello closet. Thank you for being with me today. I am so excited to start this journey with you. Wow, that was super nerve-wracking. Like I didn't know what I was going to say and if the closet was going to react well, but luckily it worked out. I think we're good to go now. According to my best friend Marie Kondo, the first thing we need to do is grab all these clothes and dump them on my bed. Now we're gonna go through all my clothes and see what I decide to keep and what I decide to get rid of. So the first item I have is this black jacket. I've had this since I was 15 years old and I actually really do love it. So let's see if it sparks joy. It does, it really does. So I'm really excited to be keeping this for the rest of my life, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Next thing I have is this sweatshirt pullover thing. I honestly don't really like it. I'll be posting everything I get rid of today on my Mercari page. You can check it out. I'll link it down below for you guys. Okay, next is this sweater that I just got very recently at a thrift shop. I actually think it's super cute. We'll see if it sparks joy. This one's difficult to tell, so I'm gonna try it on. Okay, I honestly look like a little grandma, but this is so cozy and I love it so much, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping it. Next, I have this shirt. I really liked it when I got it from my grandma. I wore it on a trip and it just made me look really big and bulky, and it doesn't spark joy at all. I'm not gonna be keeping this. Next is this little pant romper thing. I honestly don't know what to call this, and I know that these are super in right now. This just didn't really look right on my body and it didn't make me feel comfortable or anything, so I think I'm gonna be getting rid of this one. No joy. Next I have this dress that I've had for a very long time and I've only worn one. It is super cute and I really did like it when I purchased it, but I think it's time to move on. I don't see myself wearing this anytime in the near future and I need to let go. Okay, next I have these two dresses. They're super flowy and comfortable. I love them both. I think they really fit my style right now because they're like a little bit granny but also young and hip and fun, and I really do like these and I'm gonna be keeping them. Okay, next I have this super gorgeous dress. I wore this for my engagement photos and I think I'm gonna be keeping it because it really does spark joy and I think it is so gorgeous. It is long and it has this little slit on the side and I love it. So this dress is actually so gorgeous. I got it for my sister. It's very similar to the last dress I showed you. I'm gonna keep this one because I really do like it and I am so excited to wear it, hopefully sometime soon. Okay, this next dress is so pretty and I think it is super gorgeous, but I'm gonna have to get rid of it. I love the back, like that is so cute and classy, but it's like I don't think it fits me really well because I'm pretty short and it is a pretty long dress. I'm gonna have to get rid of it, but I do love it and I think it is gorgeous, but it's not me anymore. Next, I have this little grandma dress that I bought a long time ago. I actually did think it was really cute. It has buttons going the whole way down, but honestly, when I wear it, I feel kind of it's just not really my style right now and I need to get rid of it. I'm gonna have to say goodbye. Next, I have this black robe. I have been considering keeping it for so long, but I already have another one that I wear all the time and I just think it's time to say goodbye. I never ever wear it. It's time. It's time to let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. Next, I have this cute little sweater that I stole from my mom. Thanks, Carol. I decided to try it on because I honestly wasn't sure. And I think I'm going to get rid of it because it is a little large for me. I think it is time to say goodbye. I really did like it, but it doesn't look like it fits well. Okay guys, so I got this dress from H&M. It's actually really cute and I'm pretty sure they're still selling it right now. It still has tags on it. I'm definitely going to be keeping it because every girl needs a little black dress. So the next shirt I have is this one and it's just an H&M shirt and I really do like it. I think it's super cute and it goes with everything. It's off the shoulder. I'm going to be keeping this one for show. Okay guys, so next I have this white shirt. I literally just noticed right now that it's actually stained. So I'm definitely going to have to get rid of it because that just That's not okay. I really like this dress and I think it's super cute, but I think I have worn it too many times and I'm just kind of tired of it. It has this little pattern on it, which I love, and it has a front tie that is just so cute. It has buttons going the whole way down, but I think it is time to say goodbye to this. I'll be posting on my page, so definitely check it out. Next, I have this jean jacket, and I love this with my entire life. I'll never let it go. I think it is amazing. It's an Eddie Bauer jacket, and I got it from a thrift shop for $7. So this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It goes with everything, and I usually just wear this when I just want to throw something on, or when I'm wearing multiple layers because it is kind of big. So I love it. I will love this for the rest of my life. Okay, next I have this super cozy sweater. I wear this almost every single day of my life. Like, I just throw it on top of anything. It goes with everything. I got it from Marshall's. This is the only thing that I have in this color, so I really, really, really love it. The next thing I have is this cardigan. I'll definitely be keeping it. I think it's perfect to just throw on. Okay guys, next I have this white button down. It is also from Forever 21 and I really like it. It fits me really, really well, so I'll definitely be keeping it. Next I have this sleeveless shirt. It is so cute. As you can see, it's a little see-through there, and I wore it very recently and I was obsessed with it. I think it is so cute. It goes with anything. I love the style, so I'll definitely be keeping this one. Okay guys, the next shirt I have is this one from Forever 21. It's just a boyfriend fit button down, and I thought that I was gonna wear this all the time, but I actually never wear it, so I think I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Okay guys, so other than sparking joy, I think it's really important to try on things that you don't know how they fit, or you don't remember, or if you haven't worn them recently, you should actually try them on and see if they spark joy when they are on you. So for example, I really, really like this shirt and how it fits and the little neckline, so I know for sure I'm gonna be keeping this one. The next shirt I have is this high neck sleeveless shirt. This is what it looks like. I actually got it from Charlotte Russe. I wore it a lot over the summer, but I think I'm just ready to move on from it. I'm gonna say goodbye to this one. Okay, next I have this shirt. I actually wore this very recently and I love it. It fits so well. It has a little cutout here and it is just the perfect fit on me. I love it and I will definitely be keeping it. Next I have this other long sleeve top and I love the fit. I think it is just so cute. It's from Gap, so I'll be keeping this for sure. Okay, this one I have worn a lot and I really like it. It's just a little high neck top and it has lettuce leaf. I actually wear this all the time and I just threw it on with any outfit, so I love this one. I'm gonna say goodbye to this sweater because I honestly, when I wear it, I don't really feel cute. I'm gonna say goodbye. Okay, I'm keeping this top because I really like how it fits. It is so cute. It has a zipper that goes all the way down. It is from H&M. I love the fit, love the color, love the style, so I'll definitely be keeping this one. Guys, I just bought this top at Forever 21 and I thought it was so gorgeous. It's super young and stylish, but like still professional. This is so cute. I love the color, so this one's a yes. Okay, next I have this top that I've had for a while now, but I honestly do love it. It is perfect for tucking in. It has such a cute little detail right there, so I'll be keeping this one for sure. I'm actually gonna be getting rid of this silky top because I am actually wearing the other one and I actually like this one a lot more than the blue, so I'll be getting rid of the blue. Okay, next I just bought this very recently in a thrift haul, so I'll link it down below if you haven't watched it yet. So I'll be keeping this one for sure. I'm gonna be keeping this cardigan. I love the color and I think it goes with everything. I recently got this one in my thrift haul, so I love it. I think it is so cute. It's from Loft. I'll be keeping this for sure. It sparks so much joy in my life. So next I'm getting rid of this shirt. I actually just tried it on right now and I do not like how I look in it, so I'm gonna have to say goodbye to it. I think I wore it one time. Next I have this sweater shirt thing that I love so much. I think it's so cute. It's also thrifted. I love it. As I'm actually gonna get rid of this top. I didn't wear it as much as I thought I would, so it's gotta go. It is the exact same one as the black one that I decided to keep, but I don't really care for this white one. Okay, next I have this top that my mom got me and I think it is so cute. Look at the sleeves. It is just the perfect top. It fits so well, from Ann Taylor, and I love it. Okay guys, the next shirt I'm getting rid of is this one. It's from Loft. I never wore it, which is just so sad, but honestly I bought it last summer and I thought that I would have worn it by now and I haven't, so I'm gonna say goodbye to it. It's super cute, super lightweight. It's a sad goodbye, but I have to get rid of it. I love this top. I actually wore this when I got engaged in Greece and I wore this all around Europe. I love it. I think it is so cute. It fits so well, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping it. Okay guys, I'm actually getting rid of this skirt because I never wear it. I'm probably never going to, so I'm gonna say goodbye to it. Goodbye. Okay, when it comes to bottoms, it is so important to try them on because you really don't know how they fit until you put them on or if you still like them. So make sure that you try everything on. So I'm going to be keeping this skirt. I love it so much. It is so cute. I've worn it so many times. I think it's just a classic basic skirt. So I'm going to be keeping it for sure. I'm also going to be keeping this black skirt from American Eagle. I think it is just cute and my sister gave it to me and I love it. These pants are so cute, so comfortable. I love them a lot. They're from Loft and my mom got them for me and I'm definitely going to be keeping them. I love the color. I think they go with everything. The next skirt I have is this one. It has buttons going the whole way down. I actually purchased this in Europe, but I think I'm going to have to get rid of it. I honestly haven't worn it since I got back from there, so this is what it looks like. It is so cute, but I really don't wear it, so I have to say goodbye. I'm getting rid of this skirt. I just don't like how it fits anymore. I do love the pattern. I think it's super cute, but I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm also gonna be getting rid of these jeans. They're American Eagle jeans and they're just black. They're super cute, but they're just a little long for me. It is time to say goodbye. Okay guys, I have all of these work pants and I'm going to be keeping them. I think they're the perfect colors that I need. I have these overalls that my mom bought me when we were in Cancun and I am obsessed with them. They are so cute. They're from the brand Pull and Bear. They're just adorable. They fit so well. Next I have these jeans that I got from Forever 21. They're actually my mom's that I stole and this is what they look like. I wear them a lot and I think they're super comfy. I'm definitely going to be keeping them. This is what the bottom looks like. Okay guys, these are the most amazing jeans that I've ever worn in my entire life. They're from Zara. They're the mid-rise skinny and I am obsessed with them. They're super stretchy and comfortable. They're a little bit distressed. These are just my dream jeans. Okay, so this is a raincoat that I actually just picked up from the thrift shop. I love it so much. It has this little flower detail and it is blue, so it's perfect and it goes with everything. I love this jacket. I think it's really cute. It fits really well, so I'll definitely be keeping it. Okay guys, this is like my go-to sweatshirt, so I'm definitely gonna be keeping it. I wear this in like all of my videos. I also have this top from Forever 21. I actually wore it recently and I love how it fits. I love the way I look in it. So this one is a keeper. Okay, so for scarves, I only have this white one, this tan one, and this pinkish one. So I'll definitely be keeping it. And then this is the only belt I own. I'm also saying goodbye to these shoes because they're just a weird color and I cannot see myself wearing them. I'm also going to be saying goodbye to these shoes because as much as I like them, they're just not very comfy. I think they're a little too big for me. So now that we're done going through everything in my closet, we're going to put everything back and organize it by color and type. Okay guys, so now it is time for this part of my closet to be organized and fixed. I just cleared out all my baskets onto my bed, so we're gonna go through all my PJs and all t-shirts. This looks like a giant mess. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I just have to get through it. Wow, mistakes were made. I'm seriously having a mental breakdown right now. So in this basket, I organized my PJs. In this one, I have my undies and socks. And then in this one, I have my bras and then my tops and my bottoms. I got rid of a few more things on there. This is all the stuff that I got rid of today. And oh my gosh. So all of these clothes will be posted on Mercari and so will all of these shoes. But guys, look at this. Like, wow. I got rid of so much. I am so proud of myself. So I'm going to show you what my closet looks like now. I am so excited about it. Pumped. Let's do this. Glad I got to show you guys how my closet turned out, and I'm hoping to make a video really soon of John decluttering his side of the closet. That way it can all look fresh and clean and fun. I think it's really important to do a regular closet clear out / decluttering because that way you can see what you have and make sure you don't buy doubles of things. Also, I wanted to say that it's really important to not just throw things away. Make sure to donate them, sell them, give them to a friend. Don't just throw things in the trash because that's not good for the environment. I really wanted to stress that before I end this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. What is wrong with me? I have this blah, blah, blah. It's a new year. I need a new life, new me, new style, just new everything. Lettuce leaf top, and it's a lettuce leaf neck with lettuce leaf sleeves.